two major political parties are pointing fingers at each other over the handling of the affairs of the Hanover Municipal Corporation. Anthony Lugg has our story.
In a recent RJR Gleaner Communications Group commissioned Don Anderson polls, respondents painted a dismal picture of the stewardship of municipal corporations on the issues of parochial roads, drain upkeep, streetlight maintenance, markets, water quality, and cemeteries. And in Hanover, the cries have gotten louder.
You know, see me? Me tired. Me want good road. Me want light. Me want water. Benefits to me little daughter.
Light, as you see the rain drizzle, light is gone. You understand me? And when you look, there's no opportunity for the young people.
The state of the town of Lucy has been a major concern for quite some time. Some residents attribute the issue to poor management by the Hanover Municipal Corporation, which is currently being run by the People's National Party. This was Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie during a tour of the Lucy market recently.
Try to do anything. The efforts are frustrated by the administration. We get some pushback.
You mean by the municipal administration?
We don't get the estimates. If we do get the estimates is incomplete.
But Councillor for the Riverside Division, Darren Barnes, is singing a different tune. He blasted Minister McKenzie and accused the government of sabotaging the Hanover Municipal Corporation.
We have been getting a lot of sabotaging from the ministry regarding funding in all the divisions over the last couple of years because they have their plans and we are here on our side doing our best. The minister will say anything at this moment because each time we have asked for some funding from the SGR, it will turn down. The ministry states that we cannot ask for any SGR unless it's approved from the ministry. And as such, the Hanover Municipal Corporation have over $100 million with SGR. And if we have the access of using the SGR, we can do a lot of work in the parish.
And with things heating up in Hanover, the candidates for the various divisions have been intensifying their campaign. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Now, coming up later in this newscast, USV